In this video, you will learn how to replace the battery in a Nissan Leaf key fob. You can change the battery yourself at home. It's very easy to do. You do not need to bring your key to the dealership. All you will need is a flathead screwdriver and one CR2032 battery. You can get these batteries online for just a few dollars, and I will leave a link down in the description that'll take you over to Amazon where you can find these particular batteries for a great price. There's also a 3-button version of this device. So I think it's the, I don't know if it's the trunk button, but there'll just be 3 buttons on there. It'll look like this. It doesn't matter whether you have 3 or 4 buttons. It's the same device and the process is going to be exactly the same. So what we want to do first is just find this little lever on the back, hold that down and pull out the internal key. There we go. Now go ahead and grab a flathead screwdriver. You will need something pretty small. If you look on the bottom where the key just came from, on the right side, there's a little opening right here. That's where we will be putting a screwdriver and twisting just to pop this thing open. So if you don't have something quite small enough, I will recommend this product that I use here. This comes from a set of 6 screwdrivers. You get some Phillips head and some flathead screwdrivers. I've been using it for years. And it's just a few dollars on Amazon. So that will also be down in the description if you need it. But once you have the right screwdriver, you're just going to come in, insert it, and twist. And just twist a little bit until you feel that opening on the side. And from here, rather than continue and try to pull this, twist it open from here and damage this little opening that we might need again later, just go down the opening and twist. And if you do that, it'll come apart very easily. Now we can come over here and work on the battery. So use the same screwdriver to just gently lift the battery up and out, kind of prying the battery up. And once you got your new CR2032 in hand, you want to take it and make sure that this positive side that has the plus sign and the battery information on it is facing down. So you will just simply push it into place, positive side down, and it will sit in there nicely. From here, you can just put it back together, which is really easy to do. Just put these 2 together, line them up, and squeeze. Put your key back in there as well. So you can see how easy that is. If you did it at the dealership, they would charge you a ton of money. And really, you can do the whole thing at home for just the price of one of these batteries. So I hope this video helped you out. I hope it saved you some money as well. And if you liked it, feel free to give the video a like or let me know down in the comment section. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can come back here to this channel. We will have you covered with a tutorial just like this one for the key fobs for almost every make and model out there. You can also get all this information and more over at our website, FobBattery.com.